Hey YouTubers, how you doing? This is Tony, KE8CDD. Another video here. I want to show you a way to reset your 7300 back to factory settings. So all you got to do is go here to menu, go to set, and then go to others. Well, you probably have to scroll down depending where your screen's at. Others is all the way down at the bottom, and then you go to reset. And then you do a partial reset or you do an all reset. Let's do an all reset. Don't worry, I've already backed up my settings onto my flash drive, so I've already done this. I'm not going to lose anything. So all reset, carefully read the next caution. Clears all settings, memories, are you sure? And you hit yes. So now it goes through and resets it. It goes to all reset. Now everything's set back the way the factory has it. So if you go back, look at my scope. It's all back and all back to normal like it was when it came from the factory. So now I'm gonna change the setting. I'm gonna load the settings from my SD card back to the way I had it before. So I go down all the way to the bottom to SD card, and then you hit load settings, and then you hit, that's the file I use, and then I do all, and it says load file, the new REF adjustment settings will be saved. Yes. Completed. Now restart to 7300. There we go. See, now you remember where the where it was, my scope was before. The colors, the colors, it was like more of a white or a light blue. Now it's a green, just basically green line. So that's it, guys. Have fun. 73. Thanks for watching.